Hello guys, this is a brand new day of drawing everything. I think today we are gonna draw one Pikachu sitting on ash. Like this, I think. Not this. Like this. Actually, this I want to draw. It's too difficult. So we are drawing this. I think I can try. Okay guys, so if you have some suggestions, please put it down so I can note it and make artwork more. I'm flipping the page like this, guys. If you can't see, sorry, because my camera angle is not nice. Not at all nice. This thing is not flipping at all. Like this? I think so. No. Okay, so I'm showing you what I'm drawing now a little bit. You can draw mine also, but just make it with light. Don't make like me. After I show this video only, I'm thinking why I'm making this much dark, because I'm making some mistakes, right? So this mobile data not coming at all. So I'm drawing Pikachu now. You can see. Okay guys, so please help me to reach some 1k subscribers so that I can put live videos. And I can, if I put live videos, you can talk with me. I can talk with you. Nice. Thanks will be there. I'm gonna draw this ash now. This Pikachu is very fat. So okay, I'm singing. I don't know. I just wanna sing. Okay, can you please like and subscribe? Because if I meet 1k subscribers, I can post some live videos. Okay, I want to post some live videos because I like to post some real life about me. Actually, I'll not do that. If you help me get 1 million subscribers, that only I will show you my face. That's not happening in my dream also. That's too hard. I'm just a small content creator, so you can help me by pressing that like button and subscribe button. And you know that subscribing is free. So you can change your mind afterwards also. This thing sucks actually. I'm not. What can I tell about this? Okay, I'm not talking about. Yeah. If it's not nice, please give me some suggestions. I'm told already. I made one video that got failed and I tried to put it in my video uploader. I don't know what happened that time. It crashed out, so that video doesn't give. I drew it in another book, under sketchbook. I did. But this Pikachu is very easy only now. This Pikachu is coming. Bruh, made one mistake. Already I made one mistake. Nice. I'm not that much big artist, so you can support me. If you support me, I will think that wow, my channel is blowing up, so I need to post more videos. So I should get more creative with the drawing. So I will learn more. Actually, I suggest one challenge, a channel called Kesh Art. That channel is amazing. That's not sponsored to us. I'm just telling, those and all top creators, they will help you. So go and subscribe to them also, and me also, because I'm giving you those. Okay, you understand? I'm talking so weird, but after this ice, this is gonna look so weird. Like this, I guess. Color. Actually, I'm not drawing with full mode actually, because today I have so much work. I didn't put videos for so long, so I'm putting it. I'm not gonna color this because it will take so long. I'm just gonna draw what I could draw. Actually, I want to go and play because I'm like the children. Actually, I am a children. I'm just 10 years old. Really. I can figure out by my seeing my voice. If there are some adults watching this, please, I'm begging. Please like and subscribe. Because see, I'm doing in this box. I don't have even a camera. This is a small sketchbook. Worth at least 100 only, so that's not enough. Not showing the link because nobody is sponsored. I'll try for that sponsored only. Actually, I want to be sponsored because so that I can upgrade my channel. I don't have children. Upgrade my channel to some. My channel even doesn't get monetized now. I'm putting this video, it's so much effort, so please like and subscribe. If you love the content also, you are not subscribing because they are just small YouTubers. Why we should subscribe? But if there is some big YouTuber like Kailash, he'll subscribe automatically. So wait guys, I will draw one thing and come in a little bit. So okay guys, I think I'm gonna just draw some ears and finish it off. I'm drawing the hair like he got electrocuted. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Okay, and turn on that notification button, that bell button. So this is the final result. Thank you. Bye.